All right, everyone, welcome to another American Math tutorial. We're here again with Kira, and we're going to continue building off of what we studied yesterday with adding using the ounces and the cups. We're going to go a little bit higher. We're going to start adding different ounces into the play space as well. All right, you excited? All right, awesome. Let's hop into it. Cool, here's our play space, and let's make sure that Kira has control. Chaos control. All right, let's go ahead and test it out. Excellent. So we're going to warm up by having some practice with what we studied yesterday. I'm going to throw a puzzle up on the screen, and I want you all to solve it for me. Give me 1 second while I get it up. All right, Kira, could you go ahead and play out this puzzle for us, please? You should be good now. Excellent. Though I saw an area that I want to talk to you about as well. Because I'm glad that you broke that centiliter into two pieces. That is the method that we learned when we're adding several centiliters together or several units that can't fit inside of a single beaker. But let me recreate that puzzle real quick. We had 3 tablespoons. Yep. And then we also had, it was set up like this, right? So we've added the 3 tablespoons and the 20 milliliters, and now we need to add the 2 centiliters, right? So what we're doing is we can drag in the first centiliter, right? And then as we've done before, we would immediately drag in the second, but we can actually hold off on dragging in the second centiliter because you see our tablespoon, centiliter, and teaspoons are full. So we can do the process that we all know and love, clear and carry, to turn that into an ounce. And then we can clear that ounce and carry it where? Exactly. So if you ever see a bunch of beakers full and you need to add more inside of it, just go ahead and clear and carry them over into their next group. All right? Cool. So let's go ahead and clear this. And I'll get... Actually, Kira, you go ahead and delete these the annotations we made while I get our next puzzle up. All right, perfect. So let's see, we're going to... Give me 1 second. What are you doing? You know what? Actually, I changed my mind. Instead of us moving on with the next puzzle, I know I'm all over the place right now. I want us to practice counting up again. So yesterday we counted up using teaspoons, where we went 1 teaspoon, centiliter, 3 teaspoons, cleared carry, and everything like that. I want you to do that again, but up to 3 ounces this time. Okay? All right, perfect. Excellent. Way to go through that counting exercise. Okay, so let's go ahead and clear our play space. Okay. And let's get this next one up. We're gonna do 20 milliliters plus 5 teaspoons plus 1 tablespoon. All right, you think you got this, Kira? All right. And everyone at home, make sure that you follow along too. Not 3 tablespoons. There you go. Excellent. Mm-hmm. If we have 2 ounces, how many milliliters do we have? Way to go. Excellent. Do you have any questions about that one? I think so. I think you're ready for the next. Let's do 25 milliliters plus 7 teaspoons plus 4 tablespoons.
I'm not sure. Are we done? Excellent. A little challenge. How many teaspoons do we have? No, there isn't. Okay, that's good. Very good. We have 24 teaspoons and 4 ounces. And that's all I got for this one. Yep, you blew it out of the water. Let's see, let's see. Let's do. Here we go. We're going to do 10 milliliters plus 5 teaspoons plus 6 tablespoons. And what's that process called? Excellent. You gonna do it again using clear carry? Or are you finding it? Hmm? Okay. Excellent. I said excellent. Excellent. How you feel about that one? Don't worry about explaining it too much. Just walk us through your thought process. Your, your thought process is sound. This is some productive struggle, some critical thinking. Because you, at first, you were wanting to drag out a bunch of individual tablespoons to build up that 6 tablespoons, but you started seeing, hold up, we got, wait, hold up, wait a minute. We got 2 tablespoons and 1 ounce. So I can make my life a lot easier by just dragging out 1, 2, 3 tablespoons. All right. We're going to give you one more before we go ahead. Let's do. Let's do this one. We have 5 milliliters plus 1 teaspoon plus 8 tablespoons. You got this. Again, don't get too overwhelmed by it. Just walk us through your process. Walk us through how you're thinking about it. Excellent. And how many milliliters is that? Bonus. How many tablespoons is that? Excellent. We would have 8 2/3 tablespoons because what happened to my here it is. Go ahead and explain to me why it's 2/3 then, since you know. I see what you're seeing, but we gotta remember we're measuring tablespoons, not ounces. Right, I asked you how many ounces it was. So you told me that there were not ounces, I'm sorry. I asked you how many tablespoons it was. And you said there were 8 tablespoons over here. And I said that this is 2/3 of a tablespoon. So the reason why it's 2/3 of a tablespoon, if we drag this down here and zoom in a little bit, we can see that a tablespoon can be broken up evenly into 3 pieces. Into 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons, 3 teaspoons. All right? Very good. It gives us 2 out of the 3. All right? Okay. So let me actually put our centiliter back. Now, Kira, if I said how many ounces do we have, including the centiliter, but instead of saying 1 centiliter, we would say the fraction of an ounce, what would the value be? Explain why it's 1/3 of an ounce. Excellent. That's spot on. So the answer to our puzzle is four and 1/3 ounces. 4 and 1/3 ounces. Okay. Do we have any questions? Perfect. So that's going to go ahead and conclude today's lesson. I had a lot of fun playing with everyone. And tomorrow we'll be going into the cup a little bit more. We'll just be explaining a little bit of the relationships between the ounce and the cup. We'll still be doing the same puzzles, but we'll learn a little bit more about the cup in tomorrow's lesson. That's next time on American Math Culinary. All right. All right. Sounds good. Then I will talk to everyone tomorrow, and you all have a blessed evening. Happy learning.